There are three things that defines your worth in life. Number one is your value. Number two are your relationships. Number three is your positioning. You need to understand something very, very important. Your value speaks of the substance and speaks of what you carry in life. There are people that today they are taken as men of worth based on what they carry, based on what the substance that they possess in life. But you need to understand that there is a question of who are you that you answer by who you are. But there is a question of who you are that can only be answered by your relationships. That men begin to look at the relationships and look at your circle, and that they begin to understand what manner of a man you are, because such a question can be answered by who you have become, but there is something that is inadequate in the equation of the question of who you are that can only be answered by your relationships. So you're supposed to understand that there is the worth that comes to the lives of men based on the relationships, the men that you are connected to. And number three, it is your positioning. You will see within the context of a generation that even when you look at water that is sold within the context of a normal shop within a community, it carries a different price with the water that is on an aeroplane or in the airport, because it's the same content but the positioning has changed. So you are supposed to understand that when men and within a generation, when your worth, it seems as if it's not being understood. The other aspect is not looking at what you carry, but also checking where you are positioned. Because there are men that are rightly positioned, and yet there are other people that are wrongly positioned, yet with the right substance. And it will look as if they do not possess the right thing. And it is until you find yourself in the right positioning that you will put yourself at a place that you are greatly appreciated in life. God bless you.